Let's compare these two child safety locks. So we got the V-Mice, the Norjews. They're basically the same concept. So the way it works is you have this lock and you put a magnet to it. When you move the magnet close enough, it unlatches so you can open it. So for both of these packs, it's about the same. You've got your locks and then you've got kind of a latch. So what you'll do is you'll attach this latch to the top of the drawer and then it will catch on here when you have it installed. So you can't open it, but when you put the magnet and it goes down, then you can open it. Another nice thing about these locks is if you don't want to have it locked or if you're done using it, you can just permanently unlock it. These both work the same, permanently unlock. So that's really nice. Now both of these packs you can use double-sided sticky tape or you can actually screw it into the drawer. I found with my kids, the double-sided sticky tape only lasts for a while before they yank it out, so I do screw it on. Let's talk about performance real quick. I've got a ruler here. So if we use the V-Mice to go, we can see it's going about 4.25 centimeters before it unlocks. With this magnet is more powerful, about 4 3/4. So you can see I can put this in a fairly thick cabinet and it will still work. Now if we test with the Norjews and the V-Mice magnet, we have to get significantly closer. So we're almost at the 2 centimeter mark there. With the Norjews, the more powerful magnet, if we go, it's about 3 centimeters. So between the two, this one is more sensitive, and what that means is if you have thicker cabinets, this is going to work. Another nice thing about this one is you can use generic replacement keys and it will work well for that. With the Norjews, this does not work as well. So why would you ever get this? Well, you would get this because currently, if I looked at the prices on Amazon, this seems to be significantly cheaper. So you can get a lot more. So if you have thinner cabinets and you don't need this to be very sensitive, you could get this pack. Good way to go. If you just want the most sensitive, you have thick cabinets, then this is the way to go, but it does cost a little bit more.